Well, here we are. First big snowstorm of the season. And it had to wait till March 13th. Started last night around 7:30. It's now Tuesday. I don't know, it's going on like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It was supposed to stop by 2, but I just heard that they extended the storm till 8 p.m. tonight, so quite a bit of snow out here. It's my first time to be outside, but we're going to go find out because I want to walk out here. I just measured my hunting boots. They're 17 inches tall. Trying to find a place. This is pretty level out here. Don't look level in the other places because of the wind's blowing. So this looks pretty flat. No one stomped on it yet. So let's go find out how much snow we got. Yeah. It's about 10 inches right here. They were calling between 12 and 24 where I lived, depending on which way the storm tracked. And let's go out front here. My wife and kids are out here. Oh boy. Woo. The side of my house. It's backyard. The girls out here plowing, shoveling snow. My son's Eclipse, buried. My wife's Expedition. Let's see what my Nissan looks like.
Dad, I hear something.
There it is.
You can walk to work, Mom.
Walk?
You're on video. What are you doing?
Building a snowman. We just got done shoveling the driveway. Can you help?
Let's see if they plowed. Hi, Kylie. No, they ain't plowed the streets yet, but we're going to take the Pathfinder out. Me and the boys, we're going to take the Pathfinder out. We're going to go play in the snow.
It looks like somebody tried to go through there already.
All right, see you in a little bit.